How to make a voice call on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a voice call on Viber, ideally for beginners, to make a free voice calls with Viber. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the Viber app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, go to the chat or contact tab of the person whom you want to call. Now once you are inside the chat, you'll see a little phone icon at the top of your screen. All you have to do is click on that. And that's it. That's how you can make voice call through the help of Viber. An important note is that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a mobile data turned on. And that's a quick tutorial on how to call someone in Viber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.